Hello, 1074 Lombard here. The foyer has a great entry area with coat closet, leaded glass window, 2 closets there, and then you look over to the living room. Gas fireplace in the living room, leaded glass windows on either side there, view of the street and the front porch. And then we've got the dining room with a large window seat area, looking out into the main floor family room, open to the kitchen, dining room, and family room. There's a large closet there. Kitchen was updated, completely gutted. It's got large pantry space there, refrigerator, chef area, large deep counter around the stove, Jenn-Air range, and then the sink and dishwasher. Overlooking a 1/3 acre lot with newer windows in the kitchen, original windows and woodwork, beautiful woodwork up on the main level. Going upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms and a very large, updated, gorgeous bathroom. We've got a primary bedroom overlooking the backyard where there is a treehouse out there with a pocket door to the primary bathroom. And that is the bedroom. And then we have the bathroom with nice ceramic tile and the double vanity area. The other 2 bedrooms, here's the linen closet, bedroom there, and then another bedroom there, all with built-in shelving and drawers. And then coming around the kitchen, you can go to the basement where there is a multi-purpose room. Here's another coat closet you can get into from the garage right there. Garage service door, come into that door, go up, put on your boots, and put your clothes, put your coats in that closet. Got another bathroom in the lower level with a shower and a tub, and then a bedroom area with nice maple woodwork. Could be a bedroom, could be a media room, could be a big office, could be a guest suite. And then we've got newer washer and dryer, and newer vinyl here. Paint these floors, it would look great. Storage, lots of storage capacity here. And then the new boiler from 2020 and the hot water heater. Lots of storage down there. There's a cedar closet here, some cubbies, and that is 1074 Lombard.